What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on the Done For You adult system that I put together for you guys here. So I decided to go ahead and put a 100% free version of this method. Free. So I don't want to hear any type of complaints. No, free. So all you have to do is just do it now. This is free. Right, so for the free version though, you do have to be a V2 course student, and that's solely because of the course. Like, if you can show me that you already got, let's say 100 members in like a group or something like that, then I'll let you in. But like, if you don't know what you're doing whatsoever, then it doesn't matter which plan it is. You just have to access the course, and there's all of them access to the same course. So yeah, pretty much that's a non-negotiable. Just simply because other people pay for it, so I just can't give away that training for free. But anyway, if you already know what you're doing, just let me know. And then if you can show some proof, then yeah, you're good to go. But 50-50 split, and then you just got to find your own model. You create your own groups, you send traffic, and then the team will run it and close it all for you. So that's all you got. So all you got to do is just set it up, and then we'll run and close it, and then just send traffic, and you're good to go. And this is a 100% free outside of the course cost or whatnot. Unless, again, you already know what you're doing and you can show me, then you don't pay anything whatsoever. Right? And then you got your $97 a month, and this is a 70-30 split. We get your model, set up all your groups and menus for you. The only thing you do is send traffic, and then we close everything. All right, and then on the $297 a month, it's 80-20 split. And then with this one, we go out and we get you two models. We run both the accounts. We create the groups for both accounts. And on top of that, we'll create a dating profile for each account and then send traffic monthly, right? So quite literally, this part right here would technically you wouldn't have to do anything whatsoever, but I still 1,000% recommend getting your own traffic, guys. Like, don't rely just on one dating app when you can have 5 dating apps. Like, if you get serious as hell about this, you can go out and get you 5 different phones, or you can set up a few virtual systems or whatnot, and have multiple different accounts going. You don't want just one dating profile going, getting 10, 20 ads, however many ads you get per day to the to your profile, when you could have 100. It's, come on now. Just not to mention, this is only going to be in just one area in one city. So when you imagine that, you could literally have one in Texas, you can have one over here, you can have one over here. That's why I say you got to do the training. All right, no matter which plan you get on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. After you got your payment and all your stuff set up, basically just contact me. Then I'm going to add you to the course. And then again, no matter which plan your guys are on, make sure you do the course, guys. Super important. And then basically from there, you'll just get a message saying hey, everything is set up. You start sending traffic immediately with the username and the pictures that we're going to send you or whatnot. And that's it. And make sure that you have your Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, whatever ones that you're going to be using, and you are good to go, because you're going to get paid directly. I don't want anyone to be like, oh, it's been 2 days and I haven't received the payment or something like that. Nope. So the only person that will wait for your payment will be me. So you guys will get paid 100% right out the gate. So we're going to promote literally your payment plans or whatnot, or your payment options, and we're not going to receive anything until it's on the back end. All right. So yeah, man, I can't think of any downside to this right here. You got a free plan. That's if you can show me that you know what you're doing already. You don't even have to buy the course. Then you got your 97 plan right here, where all you gotta do is send traffic, and then your 297 plan, where you don't I put it together. This is real nice, guys. Like I said, this is some beautiful work right here that your boy has done. But anyway, that is pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this whole thing here. Hope you guys are doing great. Hopefully you are. But we are a week into the new year. If been working out, or if you got that weight loss plan, or making money, or whatever your goal is, just keep it up. Get you a routine. I would say get you if you suck at sticking to it, just get you a notepad. Write it down. It's a lot harder to fail yourself when you write it down on paper, because you be like, okay, I did this today, did this today, I did this today, and then you look back towards yesterday, and you be like, and you see day 6, all the way for the last 6 days. Up until then, you've been, working real hard or whatever. You lost however many calories, you did this many steps, blah blah blah. And then you get on day 7, but damn, I don't really feel like it. And then you just can go back and just, well, shit, why lose the momentum now, right? You know what I'm saying? And you just keep going. At least that's how it is for me. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.